Forget about asphalt highways and conventional traffic, because the real war for the future of transport is being fought 500 meters above our heads. What you are about to see are not laboratory prototypes or science fiction promises. It is an arsenal of vertical takeoff aircraft, jet propulsion suits, and carbon fiber personal fighters that are already ready to rewrite the laws of physics and civil aviation. While the West remains trapped in eternal debates over regulation and bureaucracy, the Chinese industrial muscle has taken the low-altitude skies by storm, mass-producing robotic driving technologies that are leaving the rest of the world flying in the past. Get ready to meet the 8 most extreme, lethal, and absurd aerial vehicles that are already conquering the planet's airspace. Number 8. The ultimate land aircraft carrier. We start this countdown completely destroying the schemes of conventional transport with a vehicle so revolutionary that it will keep everyone glued to the screen. The Xpeng Aero HT land aircraft carrier is not a simple idea or a conceptual sketch. It is a 6-wheeled modular megastructure that the Chinese technological giant has designed for mass production. This land colossus consists of 2 main parts: a 3-axle mother vehicle with all-wheel drive that functions as a rolling bunker, and a manned vertical takeoff drone housed impeccably inside it. At the press of a button, the rear section of the vehicle deploys robotically and releases an electric aircraft equipped with retractable propellers and an advanced autonomous control system. The mothership recharges the drone's batteries continuously using its own hybrid energy system while driving through hostile terrain, opening our list and demonstrating China's obsession with dominating both aerial and land mobility in a single ecosystem. Number 7. The first certified autonomous flying taxi. In the number 7 spot, we delve straight into automated airspace at the hands of another Chinese corporation that has made history by achieving the world's first official type certification for a fully autonomous vertical takeoff vehicle. The EHang EH216-S is a passenger drone that looks like it was taken out of the 22nd century. This aircraft features a 2-seater cabin built with aerospace-grade composite materials that rests on a structure of 16 propellers distributed across 8 concentric arms. What is truly brutal about its engineering is that it completely lacks traditional manual controls. Passengers simply select the destination on a digital touchscreen, and the aircraft executes the flight robotically, coordinated by a centralized software that analyzes weather, traffic routes, and telemetry in milliseconds via artificial satellites. If an engine happens to fail, the algorithms recalculate the torque of the remaining propellers to land safely, defining modern aviation safety. Number 6. The Jet Assault Suit. Going up the scale of individual kinetic propulsion and abandoning traditional aircraft, we arrive at one of the most extreme and media-covered physical engineering developments applied to tactical and military mobility. The Jet Suit by Gravity Industries is a flight suit powered by gas turbines that transforms the pilot into a human missile. This chassis of lightweight alloy and 3-dimensionally printed parts features 5 internal combustion micro-turbines, one mounted massively on the operator's back and 2 installed on each arm. The system generates more than 1,000 horsepower and a brutal thrust that allows the pilot to rise vertically and fly at speeds exceeding 120 kilometers per hour. Flight control does not depend on computers, but on the pure muscular strength and movement of the pilot's arms to direct the exhaust jets, unifying ballistics with the human body in a display of savage power. Number 5. The single-seater personal recreation fighter. In the 5th spot, we find a masterpiece of minimalist aerodynamics and ultralight vehicle design that seeks to put a flying car in the garage of any enthusiast with enough money to pay for it. The Jetson 1 is an open-cabin vertical takeoff vehicle that emulates the design of a racing car. Its aluminum chassis inspired by Formula 1 surrounds the pilot and supports 4 double arms equipped with powerful high-performance electric motors. Weighing just 86 kilograms without batteries, this machine uses smart flight control software that automatically stabilizes the aircraft, allowing anyone to pilot it using only a digital joystick without needing a commercial aviation license. All telemetry is connected in real time to parametric laser sensors that prevent the vehicle from impacting trees or buildings, automating extreme fun. Before moving on with the video and revealing the top 4 with the long-range aircraft and the racing vehicles that compete in the air, tell us, would you climb into EHang's autonomous flying taxi without a pilot at the controls? Or would you prefer the Gravity Jet Suit to fly with turbines on your own arms? We want to know your opinion in the comments. Also leave us a good like, as you help us tremendously to break the YouTube algorithm. Let's continue. Number 4. The ocean liner of electric regional aviation. We enter the top 4 with a commercial vertical takeoff aviation mega project designed to revolutionize medium-distance transport between the megacities of southern China. The Autoflight Prosperity is an electric aircraft of hybrid configuration that marks an absolute physical milestone in the sector. With a stylized chassis made of large-span aerospace carbon fiber, this aircraft uses a system known as lift and cruise. It features multiple fixed vertical rotors to lift the tons of the vehicle cleanly and silently from the ground, and a rear push propeller that activates once it reaches cruise altitude, allowing the aircraft to glide like a conventional plane at brutal speeds of up to 240 kilometers per hour. With a range that exceeds 250 kilometers per charge, the Prosperity demonstrates that the Chinese industrial muscle is already ready to retire traditional combustion helicopters. Number 3. The racing car of the airspace. In the third spot, we find the first vehicle designed specifically to inaugurate the era of pure speed competitions in the sky, an engineering mass that fuses heavy robotics with Formula One speed. The Airspeeder Mark III is the world's first electric flying racing car, operated by advanced remote control and predictive algorithms. This aircraft features an ultra-lightweight carbon fiber monocoque structure molded by computer to offer minimum wind resistance. Its 8 high-power rotors are managed by an intelligent system that allows it to accelerate from 0 to 100 in just 2 seconds with an absurd lateral agility. To guarantee that the vehicles can compete nose to tail just a few meters apart without colliding in the air, engineers installed a virtual shield based on shortwave radar sensors and automatic anti-collision systems that control the vehicle's altitude against any human error at the ground controls. Number 2. The personal vertical takeoff capsule. We arrive at the second place with one of the most compact, polished and efficient personal aviation platforms on the global market, a monocoque structure that takes the concept of rigid wing architecture to a daily individual scale. The Pivotal Helix is an electric ultralight vehicle capable of instant vertical takeoff. What is truly brilliant about its engineering is its tilted tandem wing design that incorporates 8 fixed electric rotors aligned in parallel. By eliminating the mechanical complexity of traditional tilting engines, the Helix changes direction and altitude simply by calibrating the rotation speed of each individual propeller via a high-speed central microprocessor. Its cabin offers an absolute panoramic view, and the entire system is optimized to fold and store in a conventional trailer in a matter of minutes, serving as the great measuring stick for the Western recreational aircraft market. Number 1. The long-range vertical takeoff business jet. We arrive at the number 1 spot with the most massive, expensive, and colossal aerospace engineering and luxury transport project of our entire countdown. A flying megastructure designed to break the limits of traditional executive aviation by unifying the speed of a private jet with the versatility of a helicopter. The XTI Trifan 600 is the undisputed number 1 of modern aerial engineering. This high-end mass features a clean fuselage chassis and uses a hybrid propulsion system based on 3 gigantic ducted fans. 2 of these enormous rotors are installed on the wings and feature an automated robotic tilting system that rotates 90 degrees with millimeter precision in the air to transition from vertical takeoff to high-speed cruise flight. The third fan, located in the rear fuselage, shuts down and is aerodynamically covered once the aircraft flies forward. Powered by a state-of-the-art turbine engine coupled to high-power electric generators, the Trifan 600 can reach absurd speeds of 550 kilometers per hour and an intercontinental operational range of thousands of kilometers, crowning itself as the ultimate pinnacle of vertical takeoff engineering in human history. And that is how the world of design, heavy robotics, and aerospace engineering applied to mobility are completely redefining the meaning of conquering the sky. From Chinese land aircraft carriers that release robotic drones in seconds, to jet turbine suits that transform a human being into a kinetic missile, or executive jets that take off vertically from any garden on the planet, the industrial and technological force has demonstrated that the boundaries of runways and traditional asphalt no longer exist. Today, the future is conquered with algorithms, electricity, and next-generation flight megastructures. If you are passionate about seeing how extreme engineering breaks the limits of the impossible, possible and you want to keep discovering the most brutal machines and mega projects on the planet, don't forget to leave your like and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next videos of the channel. Before you go, leave your comment down here. Would you dare to travel to your job aboard an autonomous flying taxi like the Chinese Ehang? Or would you prefer to have absolute control of a personal fighter like the Jetson 1 in your hands? I read you all with great attention. See you in the next video.